Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel Trend and Tech. In today's video, we will be exploring the Red Bluff Lookout situated in Melbourne, Victoria, only 40 minutes away from the Melbourne CBD. This amazing beach is famous for its beautiful coastal line as well as golden sands and the best spot for sunset lovers. Once you enter the track of the Red Bluff Lookout, it's a 10-minute walk to the beach side, and once you are down to the track, you'll be able to see these beautiful views. Towards the left side of the beach is the beautiful coastal side. It's a 15-minute walk from the main entrance and is the best spot to observe the sunset. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Until we meet again, stay blessed, keep smiling, take care, bye bye.